Let's create a basic calculator website using ChatGPT. Just type create calculator website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now ChatGPT is replying with some explanation and then it will generate HTML code for our index HTML file in just few seconds. Let's copy HTML code and paste it index HTML and save it now. Now you see calculator on your screen. Index HTML file is web browser to see how it looks. It generates CSS code by typing code for CSS and now ChatGPT will generate CSS code in few seconds. Let's copy our CSS code and paste it in style CSS file and save it. Now it's time to create JavaScript code to make our calculator working. Just type code for JavaScript and ChatGPT will generate JavaScript functionally for our calculator. Now copy JavaScript code and paste it in script.js file and save it. This is how our basic calculator website looks like. Let's do some calculations. You can see it working completely fine without any bug. We did not need any code. ChatGPT created this website in less than 1 minute.